friends! Thank you for liking Storytime with Frosty and subscribing to my channel. I am glad that I can make Storytime enjoyable and adventurous for you all. Gather around and lend me your ears. For tonight I shall weave for you a tale of the Elves and the Shoemaker, where a shoemaker's workshop is filled with tools, leather, shoes, and a surprise. Here we go. Once upon a time there lived a very poor shoemaker and his wife. One night before he went to bed, the shoemaker cut out the last of his leather to work on the next day. The next morning he was amazed to find a beautiful pair of shoes standing on his table. In fact, the shoes were so beautiful that when someone came to try them on, they paid twice as much as the shoemaker had asked for them. With the money, the shoemaker bought enough leather to make 2 pairs of shoes. Before he went to bed, he laid out the leather to work on the next day. The next morning he was amazed to find 2 beautiful pairs of shoes standing on his table. Soon the shoemaker became a very rich man. One night the shoemaker and his wife hid inside the shop to find out who they owed their riches to. They were very surprised to see 2 small elves come into the shop and stitch the shoes together carefully. The poor little elves wore no clothes. The shoemaker's wife made 2 little shirts, 2 tiny pairs of trousers, and some socks to thank the elves. When the elves crept into the shop that night and saw the clothes, they were so overjoyed they danced and sang with delight. The shoemaker and his wife never saw the elves again, but they were forever grateful to them for showing them how to make beautiful shoes. Welcome back, folks. I hope you enjoyed Storytime with Frosty. What was your favorite part of the story? Do you believe in elves or other magical creatures? Think it over and talk to your friends about it. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. Frosty will see you on the next adventure. Until then, catch you on the flip side.